Man, it's pretty cold out here tonight. Well, for us it is. Oh man, yeah, I feel that wind though. Whoa. I don't know how cold, but the wind definitely makes it colder. Alright guys? Oh, they're loving it. There's all kinds of big branches back there that blew off. Oh yeah, man. This is so awesome. I just refilled all my potted plants with pot and soil. I do that like twice a year, and it keeps everything like nice and vibrant. A little bit of fertilizing in between, but mainly I just put potted soil on top. That seems to really help with everything. This thing started out as a little tiny nothing, and that one over there, it was a little piece of this. It grows pretty quick, man. That's that old school shit. I love it. But pretty much they're all fitted. I just have to dig down. That one's pretty much done. I run over the top of them with my hand plane. When it's all done, it makes them perfect. It makes them like that. Yeah. I was off a little bit on some spots, but you don't really notice when I'm done. It's a bigger area that I may have missed on. I'll just mix up a little sawdust and glue, and you'll never know. Yeah, man, it's so nice out tonight. This is so awesome. This is that wind. Want the barbecue still warm? Stand next to that shit. Nah, it's ice cold. Oh, damn. Damn, that's where my beer went. And my cigar. It's all right here. Oh, boy. It's kind of cool. It says 11 o'clock, but we know it's really 10 o'clock. So we're moving the clocks back. It's starting to look like a restaurant around here. I couldn't give these tables up, man. They were too cool. And then I decided to put these stitches in, which is a great idea, man, because it looks awesome. I wanted them to be different. I didn't want them to be the same. Alright, guys. Salute. Have a good night.